Chapter 1. Introduction. Imagine waking up at 40 years old with no alarm clock, no boss, and no Monday blues. While your friends are grinding through decades of work, you're financially free because you knew your FIRE number. If you've ever dreamed of retiring decades earlier, hit subscribe right now. This channel is Future Financing, and today we're breaking down how to find your FIRE number and how to reach it faster. Chapter 2. What is a FIRE number? Your FIRE number is the amount of money you need invested to live off your portfolio forever without running out. It comes from the 4% rule. The idea is simple. If you withdraw 4% of your investments each year, history shows you'll likely never run out. But here's the catch. FIRE isn't one size fits all. Some people live lean FIRE, surviving on the bare minimum. Others aim for fat FIRE, living large. And some choose barista FIRE, covering basics from investments but still working part-time. Quick note, your house doesn't usually count in the calculation unless you plan to sell or downsize. Why? Because your home doesn't spit out cash flow unless you unlock the equity. Chapter 3. How to calculate yours. The formula is simple. Annual expenses x 25 your FIRE number. Say today you spend $50,000 a year. Multiplied by 25, that's 0.5 million. But fast forward 20 years. Inflation means that same lifestyle could cost $75,000. Suddenly, your FIRE number isn't $125 million anymore. It's closer to 1.9 million. Healthcare is another wild card. In the US, it can be one of your biggest expenses if you retire before Medicare at 65. Private insurance can run $15,000 per year for a family. What about income streams? Social Security, pensions, and rental income reduce your FIRE number. Let's say you'll need $60,000 a year, but expect $20,000 from Social Security and another $10,000 from a rental. That means your portfolio only needs to cover $30,000, giving you a FIRE number of $750,000 instead of 1.5 million. This is where tools help. I built a free FIRE calculator where you can plug in your numbers, expenses, income streams, inflation, and instantly see your target. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Run your numbers while you watch this. Chapter 4. Factors that speed it up. So how do you actually hit that number faster? 3 levers: income, expenses, and investing. Income first. Cutting lattes is fine, but doubling your income will shave years off your timeline. Negotiating raises, switching to higher-paying roles, or building side hustles. A $10,000 raise invested each year could mean retiring 7 to 10 years earlier. Expenses matter too. But the trick isn't misery, it's intentional spending. Cancel unused subscriptions. Ditch the $600 car payment. Cook more at home. Every dollar you save compounds. Investments are the engine. The safest bet? Low-cost index funds and ETFs. Historically, US stocks return about 7% after inflation. That means your money doubles roughly every 10 years. Layer in real estate for rental income. And yes, some sprinkle crypto for spice, but unless you want your retirement tied to Elon Musk's tweets, keep it small. Taxes are another secret weapon. Max out Roth IRAs, 401ks, and HSAs. They either save you money today or let your investments grow tax-free tomorrow. That difference alone can shave years off your FIRE journey. Pause here. If this breakdown is helping you, hit subscribe. Because next week, I'm showing exactly how to build a FIRE-ready portfolio step by step. Chapter 5. The Hidden Traps. Of course, it's not all sunshine. Let's talk traps. The first is sequence of returns risk. Imagine you retire in 2008. The market tanks 40%. If you withdraw during a crash, your portfolio may never recover. The solution? Keep 2-3 years of expenses in cash or bonds as a buffer. Second, inflation. At just 3% inflation, prices double in 24 years. If your plan ignores inflation, you'll hit FIRE, but slowly suffocate. Third, the 4% rule debate. Some experts say 3.5% is safer for today's lower interest environment. That means your fire number could be bigger than you first thought. Better to overshoot than undershoot. And last, lifestyle creep. You save hard for 10 years, then blow it on a Tesla and a bigger house. Suddenly your fire number balloons and your timeline slips away. Don't let treat yourself derail your future. Chapter 6. Beyond the Math. Here's what most fire guides miss: the psychology. Retiring early doesn't magically make you happy. In fact, some people hit their fire number and spiral. No structure, no identity, just endless free time. That's why you need a vision for life after fire. Do you want to travel, volunteer, start a small business, spend more time with family? Also, talk to your spouse or partner. Fire is a family decision. Your dream of a cabin in the woods may not match their dream of traveling to Italy every summer. Align early. Fire should be freedom to live, not just freedom from work. Chapter 7. Action Plan. So here's your 3-step game plan. Step 1. Calculate your fire number using the free calculator linked below. Run your real numbers, not guesses. Step 2. Build your roadmap. Increase income/wasteful expenses, invest in ETFs and tax-advantaged accounts, and consider side hustles. Step 3. Review it every year. Life changes, so should your fire plan. If you're serious about reaching financial independence, hit subscribe right now and dive into my FIRE playlist. I'll walk you through strategies, pitfalls, and tools so you can retire decades earlier than you thought possible. This is Future Financing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.